Look at this little number. Aren't those the cutest summer PJs you've ever seen? The pattern is free, the instructions are glorious, but they're in French. This is Le Pyjama by designer Anad. And in a series of videos, I'm going to walk you from the downloading of the pattern all the way up to the finished product. In the description below, you will find some useful information and some links to tutorials. This is a pretty detailed sew-along video, but it's not a tutorial, so I'm not showing detailed steps. There are many well-made and well-lit tutorials out there. We're working on the straps. We've pressed them flat and need to stitch them in place. Right, so now we proceed. We're still on step number 4. So what they're saying is to take 2 of your straps, and we need a little piece of each. And they say 5 centimeters. I'll do that because things can always be adjusted. So cut 5 centimeters from each, 2 inches. Set your straps aside. So these would be little loops that we're going to use. All right, yeah, I wanted to make sure I got the 2 of them to be identical before I proceeded because I'm about to attach things to this one. So you want to take your 2 little loops, fold in half. I think it's a good idea to do 5 centimeters. And then there is those backs. So it closes like that. We want to pin them on the right side. So I'm going to go 1.5 centimeters roughly from the top and put these here. And then stitch in place. They don't say by how much, but again, you know, we're fudging here. You want to be able to thread the strap through, so it's looking like maybe 1 centimeter or about 3/8 of an inch or a little less from the edge. Stitch back and forth here. So for now I'm going to go ahead and pin that. And you want to do the mirror image on the other side. So take your other loop, fold it in half, and put it across, same, like that. Back to it. I'm going to do my stitching to attach these loops in place. Just at the width of my presser foot, that would be just under 1 centimeter, and I think that'll work just right. I think making these little strips only 4 centimeters, as she has in the tutorial, I don't think would be enough. I think 5 centimeters is better. So next, take that same part, the cups, where we just put our little loop-tiddy-doos, and have them facing face up, so that you're looking at the right side up. And then you want to take the straps and pin them to the top of the cups, like right where they do at the top of the curve. And if you're really picky, you want to notice where your line of stitching was when you close them and decide if you want that towards inside or outside. I think outside is better, just as long as it's symmetrical. This is like if you're really, if you care about details. And have them hang straight down best you can. It's hard to judge. Yeah, so there we go. Pin that. Just put a pin here. And do the other one as well. And then take that to your machine, and same as with the little loops, a couple rows of stitching here back and forth to secure in place. All right, so now it's time to bring the other piece that you made. So this is gonna be the facing. The French for facing is parementure. So we're on step number 5, and what we want to do, the basic idea is to stitch. We're going to stitch these two pieces together along the sides of the top of the cups where the straps are, and down the other end. The only place we're not stitching is the bottom. So the bottom here will remain open. This will attach to the other part of the top. So line things up. I would start with the side seams. Line the middle. Top of the cups. So at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and pin that all around and then stitch. All right, so now turn this right side out. And make it look crisp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this some more. I'm going to press it, and I am going to come back. I'll do understitching so that I can secure the facing to the back side. On second thought, it's best to do the understitching before you press, because it helps hold the garment in place. If you don't know what understitching is, I'm linking a tutorial below. It's a little confusing, but it's not hard to do at all, and it makes a world of a difference. It essentially prevents the underside, the lining or facing. It prevents it from rolling over and be visible from the public side. When you buy fast fashion, you've probably noticed on a number of your garments the lining just wanting to roll over and show, and that's because the understitching was not done. Next time, we're going to assemble the top. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.